Good morning, students. Students, today I will explain chapter 4 exponent. So, students, you know what is exponents? Students, in previous class, you have to study exponent. Students, if we multiply by a number by itself several times, by itself several times, it will be called exponent. जब हम किसी भी नंबर का अपने आप कई बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसको हम एक्सपोनेंट कहते हैं. So for example is here 5. So we will multiply by 5 full time. We will multiply by 5 full time. हम 5 का मल्टीप्लाई कितने टाइम कर रहे हैं? फुल टाइम कर रहे हैं. So it will be 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 4. 4 will be called exponent and 5 will be called base. Okay. Any problem? 4 is called exponent and 5 will be called base. And now, after that, I will tell you law of exponent. Students, law of exponent. Here I will tell you some identities. Those identities we have to use in this chapter. So please listen me whatever I am telling you. So first identity is here a raised m multiply a raised n. A raised n. In product, if the base is same, so we will add the power. Here a raised m plus n, This identity we will use. And now second identity is here a multiply b raise m. So it will be a raise m multiply b raise m. Okay. Third identity is here a raise m raise to n. पावर के ऊपर पावर अगर है तो we will multiply by power into power. a raise m into n. अगर पावर के ऊपर पावर दी है तो हम पावर का मल्टीप्लाई पावर के साथ करेंगे. ओके. एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट आइडेंटिटी a raise m upon a raise n. In division method, if the base is same, so we will subtract the power a raise m minus n. Division method, base is same, so we will subtract the power. So it will be a raise m minus n. Okay. And now next identity a upon b raise n. Students, a upon b raise n, it will be a raise n upon b raise n. Okay. And now a raise n, so it will be 1 upon a raise n. This identity we will use. Next is this a upon b raise minus n. A upon b raise minus n. So students, it will be convert into positive. So the number will be changed. It will be upon a raise n. प्लस में पावर को राइट करने के लिए आपने क्या किया? नंबर को चेंज किया. इट विल बी अपॉन ए रेस एन. इज इट क्लियर? एंड नाउ नेक्स्ट आइडेंटिटी ए रेस 0. So it will be 1 because 0 is exponent. Okay. Students, after that we will do exercise 4a. So please look at the question number 1. Express each of the following in exponential form. Students, I will tell you each part from each question. Okay. So here 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 is repeating 4 times. How much time? 3 is repeating. 3 upon 4 is repeating 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 3 upon 4 raise 4. 3 upon 4 raise 4. Students, 4 will be called exponent and 3 upon 4 will be called base. Okay students, any problem? Okay. So please look at the question number 2. Express each of the following as a number of the form P upon Q. P upon Q. So students, we have to write in form of P upon Q. It will be 3 upon 5 raised to. So 3 upon 5 will be repeating here 2 times. 3 upon 5 will be repeating here 2 times. So we will multiply by 2 times 3 upon 5 multiply 3 upon 5. It will be 3 into 3, 3 3 the 9, 5 into 5, 5 5 the 25. Okay. Please look at the next question, question number 3rd. Express each of these rational numbers in power notation. In power notation. So students, the question 1 is here 27 upon 64. 27 upon 64. So students, we have to do according to prime factorization method 27. 3 3 the 9. 3 9 the 27. 3 9 the 3 9 the 27 and 3 3 the 9 and 3 1 the 3. So it will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 and now 64 is here. So it will be divided by 4. 4 1 the 4. Remaining number of 2 2 and 4 24. 4 6 the 24. 4 4 the 16 and 4 1 the 4. So students, 4 is repeating 3 times is there, 4 multiply 4 and 3 will be also repeating 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. So we have to write this 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. Okay, 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. Any problem? Okay, so please look at the next question, question number 4. Find the value of 1 upon 4 raised 3 multiply 4 upon 3 raised to the power 2. Students, 1 upon 4 raised to the power 3, so it will be multiplied by 3 times 1 upon 4. Because the power is 3, so we will multiply by 3 times. 1 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 4. And now we will write the sign of multiply. फिर 4 upon 3 का मल्टीप्लाई कितने टाइम बेटा 2 टाइम बिकॉज द पावर इज 2. 4 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 3. Okay, 4 से 4 cancel, 4 से 4 cancel. So it will be here 1 into 1 1, 4 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36. 1 upon 36. 1 upon 36. Any problem beta? So can you do all parts from this question? Okay, okay. So please look at the next question. Question number 5th. Minus 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3 divided by minus 5 upon 18 raised to. Okay, so minus 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3, so we'll multiply by 3 times minus 1 upon 6 multiply minus 1 upon 6 multiply minus 1 upon 6. बेटा माइनस 1 अपॉन 6 है आपका, रेज 3 है. अगर यही पावर इवन होती तो योर आंसर विल कम इन पॉजिटिव. माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस होता है. एंड नाउ डिवाइड बेटा आपका है, द साइन विल बी डिवाइडेड हियर इन ब्रैकेट माइनस 5 अपॉन 18 रेज टू द पावर 2. सो इट विल बी रेसिप्रोकल. सो द नंबर्स विल बी आल्सो चेंज. माइनस 18 अपॉन 5 रेज 2. Okay, it will be reciprocal here. So we will multiply by 2 times of 18 upon 5 into 18 upon 5 minus into minus plus. Okay, 6 से 18 divide होगा 3 times. 18 divided by 3 6 6 3 था 18 and now 6 से फिर 18 बेटा divide होगा कितने टाइम 3 times. 6 3 था 18. Okay, and now 3 से 6 divide होगा 2 times. 3 2 the 6. So it will be here, the remaining number will be here 1 into 3, 1 into 3 3 and 2 into 5 into 5, 2 5 the 10, 10 5 the 50 minus 3 upon 50. Okay students, any query? So please look at the question number 5th. find the reciprocal of. So students, I have explained all identities. Which identity you will use? Okay, find the reciprocal of first question 2 upon 5 raised to the power 4. So student, we will do here 5 upon 2 raised to the power 4. रेसिप्रोकल में आप क्या करेंगे? ओनली नंबर्स चेंज करेंगे, digits will be changed. 2 upon 5, it will be 5 upon 2 raised to the power 4. Is it clear? Okay, so please look at the question number 6. Find the absolute value of, so it will be here 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. 3 upon 4 raised to the power 3. So students, we will multiply by 3 times of 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 का कितने टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 3 टाइम. 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4 multiply 3 upon 4. It will be 3 3 the 9, 9 3 the 27, 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. Okay students, any problem in this exercise? Okay, so please do all questions in this exercise. Okay, after that we will do exercise 4b. Look at the question number 1. Express of the following products as an exponent of single numbers. So students, question is here. First, 5 raised 7 multiply 5 raised 2. Students, I have also explained which identity you will follow here. You will follow this identity, a raised m multiply by a raised n. If the base is same, so we will add the power. In product, if the base is same, so we will add the power. It will be a raised m plus n. So it will be 5 raised 7 plus 2. It will be 5 raised 9. We will add the power here. And now look at the second question. All questions are easy, you can do. So I am also telling you third part. 2 raised 10 multiply by 2 raised to the power 4. So we will also this identity we will use in this question. A raised m multiply a raised n, it will be a raised m plus n. Okay, so it will be 2 raised 10 plus 4, 10 plus 4 14, 2 raised 14, 2 raised to the power 14. Okay, can you do all parts from question number first? Okay, so please look at the question number 2. Simplify and express the results in exponential form. Student, the question is here 3 raised to raised 3. 3 raised to and 3 raised to raised 3. पावर के ऊपर पावर है, so we will multiply by power into power. A raised m power n, so it will be a raised m into n. This identity we will use here. So 3 raised 2 into 3, 2 3 the 6. अगर पावर के ऊपर पावर है तो हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अगर प्रोडक्ट में बेस आपका सेम है तो हम पावर को प्लस करेंगे, जो आपने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में किया है, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट में आपने किया है. ओके, so look at the third part. 10 raised 5 raised 2. So we will also this identity a raised m raised n, it will be a raised m into n. So it will be 10 raised 5 into 2, because power के ऊपर power है, so we will multiply by power into power. 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 to the 10, 10 raised to the power 10. Okay, look at the question number 3. Express each of the following with a single exponent. So first question is here 3 raised 5 raised 2 multiply 3 raised 4 raised 9. students. So students, first of all, we will use the identity. Using identity, a raised m raised n, it will be a raised m into n. So here we will multiply by power into power 3 raised 5 into 2. We will write the sign of multiply 3 raised 4 into 9. Okay, so 5 into 2, 5 into 2 10, 9 into 4, 4 9 are 36. Okay, so we have to do here. After that, in product, if the base is same, so the base is same is here, base is same here, base आपका क्या है, same है in product, so we will add the power. A raised m multiply a raised n, it will be a raised m plus n. Okay, so it will be 3 raised 10 plus 36, it will be 3 raised 46. Any problem? Any query beta? In product, if the base is same, so we will add the power. Product is same here, so we will add the power. हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पावर को प्लस कर लिया है. 10 plus 36, it will be 46. Okay. Okay, so please look at the question number 4. Simplify. First part is here. 3 multiply 2 raise 3 bracket close raise 2 bracket close raise 2. So students, we will multiply by, so students, we will do here 3 multiply 2 raise 3, so we will multiply by 3 times of 2, 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 3 times, so it will be 2 to the 4, 2 the 8, 8 3 the 24, 24 raised 2, so we will multiply by 2 times of 24, 24 multiply by 24, 24 24 का होता है 576. Okay students, any problem? So please look at the next question. Question number 5. Simplify. 5 raised 4 upon 5 raised 3. Hi student, 5 raised 4, 5 raised 4 upon 5 raised 3. So students, I have also explained which identity you will use. In division method, if the base is same, so we will subtract the power. A raised m upon a raised n, it will be a raised m minus n. M minus n. So it will be here 5 raised 4 minus 3. 4 से 3 minus किया 1. 5 raised to the power 1, it will be 5. Okay students, any problem? So please look at the third part. 7 raised 8 upon 7 raised 6. So we will also use identity here. A raised m upon a raised n, it will be a raised m minus n. So in division method, if the base is same, so we will subtract the power. 7 raised 8 minus 6, 7 raised 2, 7 raised to the power 2, because the power is 2 here, so we will multiply by 2 times of 7, 7 into 7, it will be 7 7 the 49, 7 7 the 49. Okay students, after that we will do question number 7. Sorry, 6. Sorry, 6. We will do question number 6. Simplify. 8 raised 5 upon 8 raised 7. 8 raised 5 upon 8 raised 7. So student, we will in division method, if the base is same, so we will subtract the power. A raised m upon a raised n, it will be a raised m minus n. So it will be here 8 raised 5 minus 7. 7 को ट्रांसफर किया, 7 आपकी पावर क्या है, ग्रेटर है 5 minus 7, it will be 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. अब इसमें बेटा कौन सी आइडेंटिटी आप यूज करेंगे, 8 raised minus 2. So using identity, I have also taught you a raised n. So it will be 1 upon a raised n. So equal to 1 upon 8 raised 2. This identity we will use. Please remember This please remember this identity. 1 upon a raised 2, it will be multiply by 2 time of 8, 8 into 8, 8 8 is 64, 1 upon 64. Is it clear? After that we will do question number 7. So please look at the question number 7. Simplify 3 upon 5 raised 7 divided by 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 5. So you know very well which identity we will use. In division method, if the base is same, so we will subtract the power. So 3 upon 5 raised 7 minus 5. So it will be 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 raised 2. Okay, so we will multiply by 2 time of 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon 5. It will be 3 3 the 9, 5 into 5, 5 5 the 25. Okay students, any problem? So please do all questions from exercise 4A and B. Students, if you have any problem, so you can ask me. Okay, good day everyone, good day, good day.